Now we'll take a look at how to use the free app, Cranium CoRE Remote, to play a game instead of using a radio frequency transmitter. So on the screen, you'll see that I'm looking at Chapter 1, Bud Not Buddy. I'm going to play this game. And in the setup screen, you'll see there's a question at the top here. But before I go there, I want to just say something that's really important. If you're going to say yes to this question and then use a device or a URL on a computer to play the game instead of using a radio frequency transmitter or the keyboard, you have to have the computer that's hosting the game hardwired with an Ethernet cable, not wireless. So with that background, I'll say yes, and you'll see a code here. That's the game code. You'll also see a URL that will allow a device like a computer, a Chromebook, a desktop, a laptop to play the game as a transmitter instead of the app that would be on a device like an iOS device or a Droid. So if I go to HMATG on the game code, HMATG, upper and lowercase really doesn't matter, and I'll put Bud in as my team name because I always try to do things thematically. So now I'm ready for the game to play, and I'll go back to the screen, and you'll see now my name of my team, Bud, is on the screen. So if I hit play game,
ready, set, go.
I'm in game mode now, so I can answer the question. How did the woman's attitude toward foster homes compare to Jerry and Bud's according to what we saw in this opening chapter? I'll pause the clock, and instead of reading all the questions like I normally would when I'm with the class, I'll just tell you, I'll go to where the answer is. She made it seem like they were great, but they didn't want to go. So I'll unpause the clock, go back to my remote screen, my gaming screen. I'll say try again, I got it wrong. I got it right the second time. And then I'll go back to my screen and see that I've gotten it right. And now the screen is waiting for me, the teacher, game show host, to lead the discussion, to defend the answer, and make my students detectives to find the author's words proving this answer. So I hope that all helps you, and if you have any questions, email us, call us, and have fun with it. Thanks.